Hello, I'll try to make a quick video how you can disassemble Sony laptop. The model is SVE151G13M. I haven't disassembled that type of model, so we'll learn on the way. First thing, of course, is we have to remove the battery, plus all the back covers. We'll remove the hard drive like this, and now we have to remove the optical drive. The laptop have a, I think, video problem because it doesn't have any picture when you press the power button. All the lights are flashing but nothing on the screen, so probably the AMD graphic is not working. So I think the only thing we gotta do now is remove all the screws, and eventually this whole thing will pop up. So let's start. Remove the screws. The screws should be the same size, except the one that are underneath the battery. They are much shorter, so you don't have to be worried about the screws. Someone tried to open it before and all the screws are a little rounded. So you have to be careful. We have one screw that is not from any type of laptop. This is pretty much quite a different screw, if you can see, if the camera can focus. Somebody put this thing in here. Let me see. And this one left here. And we gotta remove the this one is broken. Probably the laptop was dropped because there are screws missing here. This one is broke, so pretty much not very good, in not very good condition. So right now the thing we gotta do is we gotta start opening the laptop. Let me find my tool. Starting from the battery side, easy, like this. Then you continue to the side where is the cooler, and pretty much because the laptop have a problem with the plastic, it's open very easy, like this. So the next thing, of course, we have to remove the screw which are holding the cooler. like this. Don't lift the cooler up, because the thermal paste with the time become very sticky, so it's a good idea first to push it a little bit on the sides like this. This one is still holding, yeah, sorry. And after that, just lift it up gently, disconnect the power cable, and that's pretty much everything. We have some strange blue thing in here. Well, that's pretty much everything. The next thing you gotta do, clean all the mess in here, change the thermal paste, and reassemble on the reverse. That's it for now. Hope you like the video. Bye bye.